Welcome, everybody. Bobby Two Pops of Breaks. It is Sunday, March the 6th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. Only the third box in our 50-box series. So we randomed up those 48 remaining boxes. It got number 9. We did random team sales for this on your left. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave you all a chance to trade at a couple offers, but nothing went down. All right, here we go. Guys, I'm not even gonna peek, so everybody gonna be surprised at once here. Well, bam, going to be a cold hit, guys. Not a monster, but still one of the all-time great players. Going to be Marshall Faulk. Eclipse Authentic. Beckett Witness hologram on that one, guys. Gonna be Marshall Faulk signed in blue there for you. Not a bad hit, just not one of our big boys there. That is going to be a cult hit. Well, gonna be a Rome's hit there, guys. Sorry to everybody else. Congratulations to Rome's. Let's see if we can get one of our big boys to come out here in our next break, guys. We hit one of our cash boxes and then 2 medium hits there so far. See if we can find one of them big boys now. Then I'm going to Rome's. Alright, gonna pull Rome's out again. This is for the Series End giveaway, guys. Series End this time is the 2 golden tickets. It's a lot smaller series, folks. So, alright, we got a 5. We do take a 4 or higher. So 5 is going to work. Top 2 qualify. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. Going to be Nick and Vincent are the qualifiers. It is qualifiers 5 and 6, as that is only our 3rd box in the series, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.